Good evening, folks. We've got a special guest in the workshop this evening. We have got the YouTube sensation that is Little Stevie!
YouTube sensation.
How are we, Little Stevie?
Not so little.
No.
Don't put me on the spot, Graham. I can't think fast.
DK, get it right.
Say
DK.
something funny. I don't know.
Well, so what are you on this evening, Steve?
I got conned in the summer.
That'd be my fault, wouldn't it?
I don't know. Somebody suggested that they knew somebody that knew something, and now we all went from there.
Well, there had been a sensational video put onto YouTube about your pressing tool for pressing these.
Should not be moving the truck. Never mind. Somebody picked it up on the arms.
Yeah, that'd be me. For removing the kingpins on Discovery TD5s. So Steve has brought his little kit. Hold on, you want me to?
I can't remember where it goes.
I'll pick that bit up.
Little press.
Yeah, here we go.
Just like that.
So I'll be your assistant. It's gone awfully quiet in here now.
I'll have to stop.
Yeah. Okay.
Yep.
So we've got a pumpy. If I zoom in. I was going to say, if we move that off there, you can use the.
Rated chair. Which isn't long enough.
Oh, just got your head in there, Steve.
Sorry, I'll move.
It's going to be a normal. Oh, I was going to say it's going to be an almighty bang in a minute, but there she goes. I'm not showing you how much effort Steve's putting into this.
Oh no, I'm not now. It's doing it.
Oh no. It's yeah, that's better, isn't it?
Oh my God.
So we'll get this little 5-minute job done in the next 3 hours, and jobs are good. Is it binding up inside now, Steve?
It's run out of. It's done all it needs to.
Ah, cool. So, anyway, so we'll leave it at that for the moment, and if anything else exciting happens, I'll start recording again.
Swearing start.
Yeah. We'll catch you later.